Thank you. Thank you, guys. This next one is called Act Your Age. I co-wrote and recorded the song in Nashville, Tennessee with my team, and it's just very exciting. I love the song, came out in April, and I'm trying to get it to 10,000 streams. It's at 8, so if you want to listen to it, I hope you guys enjoy it, and here we go.
This is it, might be my very last first kiss, and it might a perfect fit. Ooh. But if facts are on the loose, try to catch them but they're slipping right through. Is this coming on strong too soon? The dreamer in me says give it a chance. The realist says good things never last. Someone telling my heart to calm down, calm down. You'll be like a teen leaning in on a first date. Calm down, calm down. Oh, grow up and act your age. Hold down, hold down. Don't know if it ends, if forever or blue flames. Calm down, calm down. And act your age. Am I too naive to think the dark clouds won't come for you and me? Will we still be front porch swinging at 90? Dreamer in me says you feel like home. Realist says we're gonna smoke. So I'm telling my heart to calm down, calm down. You'll be like a teen leaning in on a first date. Calm down, calm down. Oh, grow up and act your age. Hold down, hold down. Don't know if it ends, if forever or blue flames. Calm down, calm down. Oh, grow up and act your age. Your age. Are we too old to think that a happy ending could be ours? Are we too old to say that love doesn't have to fall apart? No, calm down, calm down. Be like a teen leaning in on a first date. Calm down, calm down. Oh, grow up and act your age. Hold out, hold out. Don't know if it ends, or you don't know if it ever ends. Grow up and act your age. 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 Grow up and act your